Hey, it's Shout Out Sunday number 2. And first, I would like to thank X Amelia Brown X because I'm meeting her on Roblox a lot. She's my friend and on YouTube and stuff like that. And I also like to thank 24 Ashley Tisdale Fan 63. She's also on Roblox and my friend. So you can see my sister in the background, but like again, hello. Um, I would like to thank once again, like in this shout out Sunday last week, Video Gamer 7937 because he actually helped me on this thing. It's called Club Penguin. I know a lot of people have it, but he helped me to get like this chat, so I don't have to safe chat. I don't know why I can't say that, but so I'd also thank Allison's wallets. I don't think I have the wallet she sent me right now here, but since she sent me a wallet, she's also gonna send me a bracelet, which she's sending out tomorrow. Yeah. Also, I would like to thank, well, now she's no longer Blinworld, but I don't know how to say it. What's her name? I guess it's like Believe Vamp. I don't know. Um, you could check her out. She's awesome. She still owes me $1, but she what's it called? She came out to the store with me today, and yeah. And yeah, I think that's all for Shout Out Sunday. Oh, but also, could you guys leave a comment? Not on this. Well, yeah, you can leave a comment on this video. Please do. But on my channel, could you guys leave a comment on what kind of video I want to do next? Because I really don't know. I would do whatever you guys request, except for like weird things. So, Shout Out Sunday number 2. I'm sorry it's not long, but Shout Out Sunday number 2. Guess that's it. So, bye. I'll see you in Zout.